Every guy wants to make his girlfriend feel special, but most end up doing the wrong things. Impressing your girlfriend isn't about expensive gifts or fake charm. It's about creating emotional connection, respect, and little actions that melt her heart. In this video, I'll reveal how you can truly impress your girlfriend and make her love you even more. Girls love when you actually listen. Don't just nod your head. Pay attention to what she's saying. Ask questions and show that you care. Listening makes her feel valued. You don't need diamonds or luxury gifts. Even a handwritten note, her favorite snack, or a random call saying, "I miss you," works like magic. A woman feels impressed when you believe in her. Encourage her goals. Stand by her in challenges and celebrate her achievements. Never force or pressure her. Respecting her space shows maturity, and nothing impresses a girl more than a guy who understands limits. Confidence is attractive. Keep a positive attitude. Stay calm in stress and show that you can handle life with maturity. That's a huge turn on. Read, grow, work on your fitness, and become better every day. When she sees you leveling up in life, she'll naturally feel proud to have you. Impressing your girlfriend is not about showing off. It's about showing love, respect, and growth. Be the man who makes her feel safe, valued, and cherished, and she never stop being impressed by you.